Alright guys, welcome back to the second tutorial for tonight. I'm going to show you how to install HALO SPV3, right? This is a modded version of HALO Combat Evolve with new effects, new graphics, and you have a new level and stuff. So if you want to play this game and you're confused on how to install it and how to get it working, if you're having trouble with the game to install it and to get it running on the PC, then this tutorial should help, right? So before you start all of that, you'll need to have a copy of HALO Custom Edition. You must install this and patch it, right? So we're just gonna go to internet. So before you start off with that, you need to get edition. Let's type. Alright. Go to here. Now just type in HALO. Alright, go to here and install HALO Custom Edition. You'll need this latest patch fit, but you'll need to install HALO Custom Edition, right? So make sure you go to here, download the patches, and yeah, and look for HALO Custom Edition. Go to this, alright, and you'll just download HALO Custom Edition. Alright, so you just download it, set it up, and you'll patch it to the latest patch. Alright, the latest patch is this. So you'll download HALO Custom Edition. I already have it installed, so I wouldn't be installing it, and you will install the latest patch. I just install the patches in order until you reach this patch here. You need this patch. Alright, then once you have HALO Custom Edition installed, as you see, so let's get on with the installation of this mod. Alright, so once we're back, we're gonna download the HALO SPV3 mod and we'll proceed with the tutorial, guys. Alright guys, we're back. So you have two links, mod B and media file. Choose media file and just download it. Alright, it's gonna take a few minutes to download, guys. I don't want this tutorial to be too long. Alright, this part is very easy. Once you finish downloading, guys, I'll be back. So choose the media file link, download the game. Once you finish downloading, guys, I'll be back, right? Guys, we're back and the game is finished downloading, right? Now you'll need to get WinRAR. Type in WinRAR, download, go to WinRAR, choose the version compatible with your PC and your language that you speak, download it, install it. That's simple. Let's move on, and you will need to extract the files here. Alright, so let's extract it to this. Game is almost finished extracting, guys, and it's finished extracting. So So once we're back, we're gonna install the game, right? You don't need this again, so you could just delete it to save space on your PC. Player bin. Alright, now we could install the game. Right, so you'll start the game from install the game from SPV3 exe. Click on it, click run. Alright guys, it's now open up. Alright, so once it open up, just click on install SPV3. Install it to the default location, guys. Do not change it. Install it to documents, my games HALO SPV3, right? Do not change it. Click on install. Alright, so it's gonna take some time to install, guys, and the video will take too long. Alright, I don't want this to be too long because I have other videos to do. So once you click on install, wait until you reach 100% and then you can move on to the next step, right? So I'm gonna end the video here for a while. Once it close to finish installing, guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, the game is almost finished installing. As you can see, 99.55%. There you go, exe has showed up. Click OK. Alright, this window will show up. Alright, this open source window will show up, and as you see, it asks for HALO custom edition. Click on open source. Installation has been successful. So as I said from the beginning, guys, you need to get HALO custom edition installed and patched to the latest version. Once you patch it, then you will be able to install HALO SPV3. Now that is very simple. As I show you, if you need help with getting HALO custom edition, join the Discord server and I can help you guys, right? Now that is patch successful, exit out the window and load. Alright guys, so this is it here now. Let's go to loader settings, and yeah, choose your presets, the field of view. I'll turn off film game, I don't need that. Smoothness, put about 4, and you can choose high. I want to go to ultra, but I don't want to have all this. I'll turn off the field of view. That's good. Go to advanced. Right, you go choose SPG 3.2, 3.3. Use leave it at the latest. Right, everything here is good. Now once you're satisfied with your settings, you could just save it and then load into the game. But I will need to load into the game. Once you install the game, make sure to update. Right, and the reason I was getting low FPS in the games because I'm recording. I don't know why it's given that trouble, because my PC could more than handle this game. If you want, you could lower down some of the settings, but I will just leave it as that for now. Alright, start back up the game.
Those Marines could use some help, Chief. Do what you do best. Those Marines could use some help, Chief. Do what you do best. Those Marines could use some help, Chief. Do what you do best. Those Marines could use some help, Chief. Do what you do best.
Combat teams on deck 7 and 8 fall back to secondary center position.
Alright guys, this is the end of the tutorial for this game. I'm not gonna keep this game. I already have Halo Master Chief Collection on Steam. I just did this for the tutorial to show you guys how to install it and how to play it right. Now because I'm having about 42 FPS here because I'm recording, but when I'm not recording the game, it plays very much smooth. So this is the end of the tutorial guys. So that I help you guys. I know this is a very old game. All these tutorials are doing is on old games that no one maybe play no more. But you know, you never know that somebody may be looking for something on YouTube, like looking for how to play these old games. So this is why I do these tutorials, right? So hope that this help you all, and I'll see you in this video to come. Classic Games United out. Bye.